KTM has done it, a twin-cylinder RC machine, more power, more aggression, and way more serious performance. This is the all-new KTM RC 450, and today we are going to a proper breakdown, specs, real-world feel, and whether it's actually makes sense. 56 horsepower twin-cylinder engine, almost 200 kmph top speed, but the real question is, this is a track weapon or a practical bike for the daily riding? Let's start with the biggest upgrade of the engine. This is the 449cc parallel twin engine, producing around 55 to 56 horsepower and 39 to 40 Nm of torque. You are getting 6-speed gearbox, assistant slipper clutch, quick shifter, top speed around 190 kmph, which is insane for this segment. Now in real world riding, this bike won't feel like the RC 390. It's more smoother, less vibration, strong top end, full basically highway and track performance is on another level. Weight is around 168 kg, which is still pretty light for a twin cylinder bike. You are getting WP suspension, aggressive riding posture. Real talk, this bike feels sharper but not for beginner friendly. City traffic manageable, corner and the twister absolutely fun. Design is inspired by the bigger bikes like the RC 990. You are getting aerodynamic winglets, full faired aggressive body, proper race bike stance. This is not a casual bike. This is a look at me machine. Features are also a big step up. Dual channel ABS, full TFT, ride-by-wire throttle, traction control, riding modes. Basically KTM is giving a proper super bike level tech in a mid-range bike. Now let's talk the real world practical. Not for very comfortable for long rides, aggressive posture, where wrist pain in traffic, heat management could be an issue, but highway riding is amazing. Weekend rides perfect. Track days, this is where it shines. So yeah, this is not for everyone. Let's talk about some pros. Powerful twin cylinder engine, excellent handling, premium features. Let's talk about some cons. Not for beginner friendly, comfortable is limited, likely expensive in India. So should you buy the KTM RC 450? If you want comfort, skip it. If you want pure performance and thrill, this is one of the best upcoming option. This is not just an upgrade, this is a KTM entering a whole new league. Comment down, would you pick up this over the RC 390 or going for something like Ninja? Likes, share and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Till the time, bye bye, be safe, ride safe.